In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Distrokid Helper. The Distrokid Helper, also known as the Help Center, is your central place to learn features, troubleshoot releases, manage artist profiles, handle royalties, and streamline uploads. Think of it as your first stop for quick answers and official how-tos. Start by heading to the Distrokid website and opening the Help Center. You'll see clear categories that cover common needs like uploading, artist profiles, payments, lyrics, splits, hyperfollow, and subscription questions. Browsing these sections is great when you're exploring or not sure what to search for, because the articles are organized to guide you from basics to more specific scenarios. If you already know what you need, use the search bar at the top. Type the feature or issue in simple terms, such as Spotify artist profile, how to add a featured artist, lyrics, official artist channel, splits, or remove release. Results usually appear instantly and include step-by-step articles, screenshots, and links to the exact tools you'll need. If your first search doesn't surface what you want, try shorter keywords or the exact feature name. Next, from your DistroKid dashboard, open the Features or Goodies menu to access tools that work hand-in-hand with the Help Center guides. Here you'll find Hyperfollow, Splits, Credits, plus Playlist and Promo tools. Hyperfollow automatically creates a smart link page for your release, perfect for sharing one link everywhere, collecting follows, and supporting things like Spotify pre-saves. It's a simple way to centralize promotion without extra setup. Splits helps you route royalties to collaborators automatically. Open the release, choose Edit Splits, add your collaborators, and set the percentages so everyone gets paid correctly. Double-check the math before saving to avoid payout delays. The Credits tool lets you add detailed metadata like producers, songwriters, musicians, and liner notes, so your team is properly recognized across platforms. Good credits improve professionalism and can help with discoverability and rights administration. If your music is showing up on the wrong artist page, the Fixer tool is designed to correct mapping issues, move tracks to the right profile, and clean up errors. It's also commonly used to remove songs from incorrect artist pages, which helps keep your catalog accurate. If the Help Center doesn't solve it, contact DistroKid support. Submit a request, select the category that best fits, and explain the problem clearly. Include relevant identifiers like UPC and ISRC, plus store links and screenshots so the team can verify quickly. Use the Help Center as your playbook, the Features menu as your toolbox, and support as your safety net. With these, you'll navigate DistroKid confidently and keep your releases running smoothly.